This is a set of mixing bowls from WHYSKO, and I'm really excited to show you these. I love that these stack. Like, there's nothing worse than trying to stack all of your bowls inside of a drawer, and I love how nicely these all just fit in together. I think that's going to be such a great feature, and I love all the different sizes. And so they're uniform, so they're going to look nice also when you have them out because they're all the same. They're made with a stainless steel, and they're BPA free, and they're dishwasher safe, which for me is a game changer. I cannot stand things that cannot go in the dishwasher. So 10 out of 10 right there. They have such a really good look to them. They're a little bit matte on the outside and shiny on the inside, and they're really lightweight, which is so nice because by the time you add food into there, then sometimes they just get so heavy. So they're a really lightweight bowl, which is so nice. And I just love all of the different sizes. You're really going to be able to have your options for what you're wanting to put in there. And I think these are a great find, and I would definitely recommend them.